going to use the Harbor Freight plastic welder. I'm just using my cell phone camera because the stand I use to do close-up videos is what we're going to be repairing today. I already did the bottom side here, melted in the wire mesh that comes with the kit. So I cut out a piece of that, got it so it's sitting in here. You can see where it's cracked and fallen apart there. So we're gonna burn this into that, okay, with the little welder. Turn this upside down here. So it's curved into there, just like that. Maybe it's the other way. There we go. Best fit. Yeah, that works a lot better. Just like that. Okay, so I'm going to plug in the iron. Try to do this with the camera in one hand and the little welding iron here in the other. And what we're going to do is we're going to burn this wire mesh into the plastic, the existing plastic. And once it's in there, then we'll take the filler rod, just like we did before on a previous video, and melt that and build up the top here. That I will have to use both hands for, so I'll just have to show you what it looks like when I'm done. Okay, so let's get this fixed, and that way I can start using it to do more YouTube videos with my tripod that broke. The other pieces are good. I don't know how that broke. I must have forced it into place or something. I don't know. It's weird. Maybe the cold weather too, you know, it might have gotten brittle from the cold weather. All right, let's heat this iron up. Okay, so I'm getting this melted in. There we go. It's starting to melt. There we go. Work our way across here and towards the top. Get underneath there. I like the angle of that iron tip too. It gets right underneath here real good. Yeah, that works good. In the middle, you'll see I won't be able to get that melted because there's a hole there. A part of it broke off. But what we're going to do is we'll fill that with filler, and that should work pretty good. Go up underneath here a little bit more, and then we'll get the iron on the other side, get that melded in. There we go. Okay, now we're going to go on the other side here. There we go, just like that, and get that melded down. Sorry about that. Get the camera in the right spot here. I'm looking at what I'm doing and not what the camera's looking at. So, there we go. Yeah, that's melting down real good. There we go. Get up underneath this side here. There we go. Okay, so now I can't get the iron way up underneath there, but that's all right. So what I'm going to use now is a filler, and which I won't be able to do that holding the camera at the same time. But I'll show you what it looks like once I get that done. Okay, there we go. Got it smoothed out. I got some up on this edge up here that might make it so I can't adjust the tripod legs. So I'm going to have to get in there and make sure that's free on the sides, and that way it doesn't hang up. So we'll do that. But looks pretty good. I think that's going to hold good. So we're going to let that cool down, and we'll try it after I get that fixed. Oh, beware that you might end up burning any plastic around it. So that's all right. Just be aware of that, though. Yeah. All right, so we got this all fixed up, and it folds up and retracts and extends. Still got a hole here on the side, but it doesn't affect the operation of it. I could fill that in with some of that, just the plastic material that they give you. This is just tape residue because I had it taped with duct tape, you know. Yeah, I could clean it up and make it look better. It still operates. See, it goes up. Yeah, it comes down. So yeah, it works. All right. So you like the video, please subscribe, leave comments, hit the notification bell, and if you like, give me a like. And let your friends and family know about my videos too. All right? Thanks.